From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 1st, 2018. Today we're going to take a look at the euro dollar, the EURUSD for today's trade analysis. So starting here on the daily time frame, a couple of things to point out before we zoom in on this currency pair. Let me zoom out one time. We can see previously we have been in a long-term uptrend. That's not too hard to see on this chart, going all the way back to the early parts of 2017, about a year ago. We've been climbing ever since. We're above the blue trend line. We're above the 100 period moving average here on the daily time frame. It's been a long-term uptrend. But we've seen some signs of potential short or maybe even long-term reversal up here at the top of the chart. Let's begin zooming in on this, and you can see, well, first along the black trend line, we can see that over the past couple of weeks we've seen some bearish movement. The market has sold off the euro, buying the dollars, and it's been going down. The dollar's been strengthening against the euro, so it's been going down for the past couple of weeks. It went down a little bit, went into some congestion in the blue box, and then it's been going down the past 3 days. Interesting is this green shaded area, 1.2180, 1.2220. The last two times we were here, and I have some circles here as well to show us support into the green zone above 2180 here, above 2180, 2220 here. So both blue circles showing support into the green zone. Now, the past 2 days, we have seen support here. Tuesday, Wednesday, we saw support into 2180, 2220, and it held within and above it. Now, today, we see something different happening as it's pushing through for the first time in quite a long time through the 121.80 level, the green shaded area. The key point to this is if it's successful in staying underneath 1.2180 and the green shaded area, the likelihood of a continuation lower, it gets stronger. So what we're looking for is the breakout setup underneath 1.2180 and the turn back down. Well, our target, interesting enough, is that long-term blue trend line that we just looked at 1.2095, 1.2065, the pink shaded area, where back here you can see some resistance at the black box here. Even if you go all the way to the left-hand side of the chart, you can see some resistance back in September and August back here on the far left. So the pink zone becomes an area of potential support on a breakout of the green zone. Even if I zoom it out again, you can see there's history back here at this pink zone, but not much to speak about between the green and the pink zone. So again, that becomes the area we're going to focus our energies on for a target. Let's take Fibonacci, just one simple fib from the lowest low on the chart down up to the highest high. In doing that, Fibonacci from the lowest low that we see here to the highest high puts the 0.382 at 1.2173. Well, guess what? That's exactly where the current market is. So if we break that 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level, the chances of continuing down to the 50% or 618 begin to increase as well. So we're looking at multiple clues that if we can get through this green shaded area, the pink zone, maybe even down here to the orange zone, 618 becomes a potential target on the way down. Now, it doesn't have to do that. It could suddenly turn back above the green zone today and go back up, but at least right now it's showing promise of a breakout underneath 121.80. Take it down to the 4-hour time frame. It's not going to change any of that analysis. It just gives us a zoomed in view to all of that that's going on here. Again, there at the blue circles is where we see the market has found support at this green zone before with no real breakout. All right, so that's the key point, is we're looking for a real deal breakout underneath the green zone. We don't have it yet. It's challenging. It's testing. This is not a breakout. It's just challenging and testing this green zone. We'll talk about breaking out a little bit more in the trade room, but that's what we're looking for. Open and close underneath 2180. We look for it to continue to go back down. Obviously, the possibility of it turning back higher is there, but at least right now, the market doesn't seem to be very bullish for the euro dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.